In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automations in Asana. Automations can significantly streamline your workflow, making team collaboration smoother and more efficient. Whether you're managing tasks, tracking progress, or simply trying to make your project updates more seamless, setting up automations in Asana can be a game changer. So, let's dive right in and see how you can set them up for your projects. First off, make sure you're inside the board where you want to implement these automations. This could be any project board you're currently working on or one that's part of your daily routine. Once you're in the desired board, direct your attention to the top right section of your screen, where you'll find the Customize button. This button is your gateway to modifying your board settings and is essential for personalizing how your team operates within the project. Click on Customize, and from the list of options that appear, select Rules. Rules in Asana are essentially the framework for your automations. They dictate what triggers an action and what actions are performed when certain conditions are met. So, after clicking on Rules, you'll want to proceed by clicking Add. This is where the fun begins. As you enter the rule creation space, you'll find that Asana provides several templates to get you started. These templates are pre-configured sets of automations that cater to common needs, which can be a huge time saver. However, if you feel adventurous, you can always opt to create your automations from scratch, tailoring them specifically to your unique needs and preferences. Alternatively, you also have the option to use AI-powered suggestions from Asana, which can intelligently recommend rules based on your board's activity and patterns. Once you've decided on whether to use a template, start from scratch, or use AI, you'll move on to the more detailed part of the automation setup. This involves selecting or creating the specific automation you want to implement. Here, your creativity can come into play. You need to add triggers, which are the conditions that will initiate the automation. Following that, you'll define the actions that should occur once those triggers are activated. Make sure to assign any necessary variables and values for your automation to perform as intended. After carefully setting up your automation, take a moment to review everything to ensure it's exactly what you need. When you're satisfied, you'll want to click Publish at the top right corner. By doing so, you make your automation live and ready to enhance efficiency on your board. Now that your automation is published, all that's left is to go ahead and test it out. Testing is crucial to ensure everything runs smoothly and performs as expected. If you need any adjustments, you can always head back into the Rules section to make modifications as needed. Happy automating!